La la la, la la la. P, 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 look at me. I'm the playful letter, can't you see? Big P, small p, fun to say. Let's learn the letter P today.
P is for panda, black and white. P is for penguin sliding on ice. P is for parrot saying peek-a-boo. Letter P is fun for you.
Draw big P, a line and curve. Draw small p, a stick and curve. Practice every single day. You will learn the letter P.
P is for panda,